Welcome to the ports and shipping news from Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam port is one of the major ports on East Coast, completing 87 years of the journey. In serving the nation's cargo handling in exports and imports trade under the control of central government, Port of Visakhapatnam faced many challenges in all economic, social, political situations and keeping up its position as all-time record in its developments. In cargo handling by upgrading mechanization and increasing efficiency with speedy information technology. By government policies, privatization was encouraged in Visakhapatnam Port Trust. Infrastructure development was started according to the ship size, capacity increasing, deepening of draft level, and increasing new berths construction has taken place in inner harbour and outer harbour. New private players like Adani, Vedanta Limited, SR Ports, Vizag Seaport, DP World, etc. operating in handling of iron ore, coking coal, dry bulk, break bulk, liquid and general cargo and container cargoes. Nearly 27 berths were in operation in inner harbour and outer harbour. 17 berths are owned by port and rest 10 berths are owned by private players. Permissible vessels are Panamax for inner harbour, Super Cape size vessels are for outer harbour. Total ships entered in 2019 were 2055 and in 2018 they were 2012. The output per ship berth per day during 2018 and 2019 was 13,790 tons. Average turnaround time for vessel was 2.51 days and average pre-berthing detention was 0.05 days as per Visakhapatnam Port Trust records. Port of Visakhapatnam registered all-time record of handling over 72.722 million metric tons of cargo for the year 2019 and 2020. According to the port chairman K. Ram Mohan Rao said to the media that there will be a fierce competition with private ports for the next 3 to 4 years and once the Major Port Authority Bill 2020 is implemented. Knowing competition with private ports will increase ahead, for that step to give tough competition to private ports, new commodities like sugar, rice and fly ash are handling and focusing on granite handling and commodities. Cargo handling achievements in last 2 years is 65.301 in 2019 and 72.722 million tons in 2020. Port of Visakhapatnam handled volume of 32.77 during the first 6 months of the current financial year. The decline in traffic volume was 1.98 million tons compared to the previous year. The reasons for cargo decline: the raw material for power sector, which was steam coal, steel sector, which is coking coal, petroleum sector, which is crude, and for the container cargoes, imports were decreased due to economic slowdown. However, significant growth was recorded in respect of iron ores and pellets, coastal shipping exports of thermal coal, fertilizers, steel, and container exports. Mr. Ram Mohan Rao explained further initiatives as concessions in railway terminal charges to mechanical tipping and unloading of iron ore takes to promote exports and concessions to mainline container vessels. And also he added, EQ7 berth is declared as a non-crane berth, giving relief to the terms of lesser berth high charges as compared to the crane berth. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.